So the way you play this song is, wait, wrong video. I don't think we're doing this today. I think, yeah, that's it. I think we're going to learn how to cook a really good egg and use some secret ingredients to make that egg taste really good. Alright, let's do that. Okay, so what we'll be using today is obviously 2 eggs, some bacon, because you always got to have bacon with your eggs, pepper, salt, secret ingredient, another secret ingredient, butter, and probably some toast. You always got to have the toast to dip your eggs in, correct? Correct. Let's get started. Okay, now that we have our ingredients, what we're going to need, let's put our heat on. Let's put our heat on. I would say we'll put it on not real hot, around 6. I'm putting it on 6. Let's get our bacon started. I'm only going to do 3 slices of bacon. Let that go for a little while. Get our tongs ready. We'll have to flip it a few times, that's why. Alright, notice it's starting to bubble up a little bit here. That's when I like to start flipping it. You want to keep, consistently flipping it so that it doesn't get burned on one side. Let it keep going. Okay, it's flip time. Notice how it's not getting burned. Again, you want to have it on, I have it at like 5.5. If you have it too high, it cooks it too fast and it burns it. So a nice, slow, steady cook. Probably get another flip in there, maybe 2 more flips, and then the bacon will be ready. Okay, so the bacon's almost done. So I get a paper towel, get it set up over here, because I'm going to take the bacon from here and put it onto the towel to soak up some grease. You'll notice the bubbling. The bubbling means basically your bacon is done. So that's the way you want it. It's not burned, it's still a little flexible, and it's perfect. We take our bacon, we put it right here. Put it on our paper towel. And while that's doing that, we have 2 choices at this point. Do we cook our eggs in the bacon grease for added flavor? Or do we clean our pan and put butter in it and it's more healthy? We're going to go with option number 2. We're going to go with butter. Put our pan back on there, put it back onto, I guess I would say, you want to put it on, I'd put it back at the regular 4, 5, or 6 again, right? This is where we get our butter. Into the pan. Move it all around the pan so that we get a, so it's not sticking. This is important. This is how you get your eggs not to stick. Get your egg. Open it up. Push it in. Same thing over here. 2 eggs. Now you'll notice the eggs are turning white, and that's what we want. While they're turning white, we get our salt, put it on the top, pepper, secret ingredient number 1, Old Bay seasoning. Sorry, I just really like it. Secret ingredient number 2, the very first secret ingredient I ever used, Parmesan cheese, right on top. This takes a boring egg and turns it into a exciting, very good egg. Now, there's the next important thing. You want to move the egg around a little bit. You don't want to flip it just yet, you just want to get it moving. Because once it's moving, it's going to become very easy to flip. It's not sticking at that point. When it gets into corners like this, it's a little trickier. So you just go around the edges and different edges. It's still sticking. Okay. I do believe it has broken away. There. We're not flipping it yet though. We're letting it cook a little longer. While we're doing that, we get our bread. We put it in our toaster. Timing. Timing is key. Get a plate out, get the plate ready. Come back to the eggs. They're ready to flip. You catch it around the yolk, flip. Yolk, flip. We reapply salt, pepper, Old Bay, Parmesan cheese. Trust me, it really makes it good. Let it cook on this side for a little bit. Put our bacon on our plate that we cooked earlier that is now nicely, the grease has settled into the paper towel. Move the eggs around a little bit so that they're not sticking on the bottom. Okay. We're almost done. Very easy, right? Everybody that's a musician or plays guitar or does things, they gotta eat. So this is what we also do. We're done. Shut the flame. Grab it like that. Right onto the plate. Right onto the plate. Get our toast. Simply butter the toast. Put on top of each other like that. Cut them diagonal. And look what we got. A good breakfast. Enjoy.